Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect Google AdSense to Blogger in 2025. So if you want to monetize your blog and you want to start earning from the ads, this is the official and the easiest method. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on blogger.com. Then you need to log in here with the help of your Google account. Now you can just simply select the blog that you want to monetize. Over here in the left hand section, we have the option of earnings. So click on the option of earnings. Now, if your blog meets the basic requirements like the original content, the active posts, no policy violations, you will see an option that will say enable AdSense. So currently I haven't created any of the AdSense account over here. That's why it is showing me create AdSense account. So click on the option of create AdSense account and it is going to redirect you here on this page. By default, it is going to take your website. Then here select the option of yes, then select your country, then agree to the terms and conditions and click on the option of start using AdSense. On the next page, you will have to provide some of your personal details as well, and you need to submit your AdSense approval request. Now again, once your AdSense account is created successfully, when you come here on the earnings option, instead of the create AdSense account, you will be able to see the option of enable AdSense. So if you see the option of enable AdSense, you just have to click on that and use the same exact account which you use while creating the Google AdSense account. So once you do this, again, your website will be under a review for the next 24 hours. And after the successful approval, your blog will get monetized and linked with the Google AdSense. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.